wig factory, hair extension brand, or salon supplier want more orders in 2026. Booth bookings are now open for China-Hair-Expo 2026, August 1st to 3rd in Guangzhou, China. Whether you sell wigs, hair extensions, hair accessories and production equipment, scalp health products, or professional salon supplies, this is where buyers come to source. Meet 30,000 plus professional buyers from 60 plus countries in one place. Want booth availability and pricing? Contact me now.